Hello guys, this is Laura and you are watching Info Review Vids. Today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Cellxrenewal. I have seen lots of people checking for the Cellxrenewal review. But there are only advertising and promotion videos are available in the YouTube. Only some videos are telling the truth about the Cellxrenewal. So I decided to make a video. And I have also heard that there are some people struggling to find the proper website to get Cellxrenewal. Because in some videos or in some websites, people are providing fake links that will only leads to lose your money. So I have searched and get the official link of the website. I left the link to the official website link down below in the description of this video. Also, Cellxrenewal come with 365 days money back guarantee. 1 whole year. Just imagine, even if you are using several bottles and using it for 11 months and if are not satisfied and you want to get your money back you will. If somehow the Cellxrenewal didn't complete your satisfaction or it didn't done what it promised, there is no problem. Within 365 your order you will get every penny you spent to buy this product. So what is Cellxrenewal and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Cellxrenewal works, and after many laboratory tests researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that Cellxrenewal contains. I am not promoting Cellxrenewal. I am just telling the truth. If you're looking for a supplement that promotes an advanced anti-aging support supplement for cellular rejuvenation that is formulated to enhance heart health and metabolism, an advanced anti-aging support supplement for cellular rejuvenation that is formulated to enhance heart health and metabolism is the best solution for you. If I told you that there was a way to strengthen your body's cells, improve your muscle and joint strength, make you look younger, and live even longer? Would you believe me? What if I also told you that doing this would require nothing more from you than taking a supplement each day? That would sound like a pretty good deal. That's precisely what Life Titan Naturals Cellxrenewal offers with its new dietary supplement, touted as an anti-aging and cellular rejuvenation supplement. While these claims might sound outlandish, the science behind the Life Titan Naturals Cellxrenewal shows that it could be possible to boost your quality of life and reduce the adverse effects of aging with a combination of vitamins and minerals that fight against heart issues and slow metabolism. The creator of Life Titan Naturals Cellxrenewal, Alex Bradford, claims that after her elderly father suffered from a nearly fatal fall, he was left bedridden, unable to be helped by doctors, and with seemingly no options to be able to go back to his everyday life. The main issue, aside from the traumatic head injury that he endured from the fall, was his heart. Doctors claimed that his heart would be lucky to perform at 60% capacity, if that, the official Cellxrenewal website claims. This sent the creator, Alex Bradford, on a quest to find a way to improve her father's health through natural remedies and little-known health tricks. Eventually, after looking into her father's condition, she discovered that the root cause of most age-related problems stemmed from the destruction of cells in the body over time. This led her to focus on a supplement that would fix and protect your body's cells to not only reduce the aging process but make the user more energetic and healthier. This supplement comes with the exact supplement she used to cure her father. But what ingredients are included in Cellxrenewal that makes it stand out when compared to other health supplements? The Cellxrenewal website hammers on the quality of the accessories as above and beyond what other supplements offer. There are 7 ingredients packed into Cellxrenewal designed to target a health problem that its user could have. Calcium 2-AEP, MSM, D-ribose, shiajit, marine phytoplankton, Aclonia cava, and vitamin D3. These minerals, vitamins, and marine organisms claim to offer a different, powerful benefit when taken regularly. Cellxrenewal is claimed to help repair and/or reverse the harm done at the cellular level. Those behind this supplement say that when people age, their immune system begins to deteriorate. Cell walls eventually decay through this period, so tears and gaps start to appear. Present openings in cells only enlarge with age. At this point, such holes welcome attackers into the cellular structures, causing more DNA damage. The aging mechanism is triggered by these changes, affecting the looks and the overall good functioning of the body. In light of this, Cellxrenewal is said to contain the longevity ingredients that can suppress the issues mentioned above while rejuvenating cells all over. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Cellxrenewal from. And also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Use this at least once in a day to see better results in just 2 weeks. For some people it visibly works after 3 to 4 weeks of use. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Cellxrenewal actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And don't forget to buy this product in the official websites, or you will end up in losing your money. It is a friendly reminder. Thanks for watching this video.